A campaign allows you to promote your product or service on Google's vast network of search results, website, video, mobile app, maps, shopping listing, and more. Create your new campaign and choose your goal. The first step is to create a new campaign and choose your goal. This goal will help you determine the best campaign type to reach your intended audience. Sign into your goal ads account. On the left side menu, click campaign, click the plus button, then select a new campaign. Select a goal for your campaign. If none of the goal fit what you are looking for, select create a campaign without goal audience. Select a campaign type. Your campaign type determines the place online where customer will see your ads. Select a campaign type. If you select a goal, you will see the option for the best campaign type to achieve it. If your campaign type has subtypes, choose it. Click continue. You will be taken to new page to select your stylings, set up groups, and create your ads. Follow the guide below to complete this step based on your campaign type. Search text ads on the search result. Display image ads on the website. Shopping product listing on Google. Video ads on YouTube. App promote your app on many channels. Smart simplify your campaign. Local promote your location on many channels. Discover advertise within online feeds. Create a video campaign. YouTube marketing is different name. Video marketing. Video campaign allows you to reach and engage with the audience on YouTube and through Google Video Partner. When creating a new video campaign in your Google Ads account, you will select one of these campaign goals: leads, website traffic, product and brand consideration, and brand awareness and reach. Spend your budget effectively. Your budget influences how often your ads show and how prominently then feature. Reach people searching for your brand or business. In your campaign, you can reach people in a certain location, those who speak a specific language, or those with a particular internet using campaign targeting. Organize your ads with ad group. You can create an ad group to organize your ads by a common theme. Create relevant ads. When creating your ads, focus on giving your ads relevant headline, call to action, and other creative features that inspire your viewers to take action.